everyone, welcome to Anbalaya. Let us see FAQ, frequently asked questions in competitive examination. Question: a motor boat goes downstream in river and covers a distance between two coastal towns in 5 hours. It covers this distance upstream in 6 hours. If the speed of the stream is 3 km per hour, find the speed of the boat in still water. Listen, downstream means the direction along which the river flows. Actually, if the river flows this side and when you go in boat along the same direction, this is called a downstream. In downstream, normally the speed increases. The speed of the boat increases. So we call it downstream speed is equal to river speed, the stream speed plus boat speed. And time taken will be very less because your speed increases, so the time taken is less. So we normally say less time taken. And upstream. Upstream means if this is the direction in which the river flows and you go in the opposite direction. In the boat you go in the opposite direction. This is called upstream. And in upstream the speed decreases. Normally we say boat speed minus river speed. And in upstream the time taken will be more because the speed is less, so more time is taken. And in both the cases the distance upstream and the distance downstream are equal. Okay. Well, in this question we have to find the speed of the boat. So let the speed of the boat be x km per hour. Let us consider two cases. Upstream. Upstream, to go upstream the boat takes 6 hours. So time taken upstream is equal to 6 hours. And what about the speed of the boat upstream? Speed is equal to the speed of the boat we have taken. We do not know, so we have taken x minus speed of the stream is 3 km per hour. So speed is equal to x minus 3 km per hour. Distance covered is equal to, the formula says speed into time. Upstream speed is less x minus 3 into time taken to cover the distance upstream, 6 hours. So I keep my equation x minus 3 into 6. Now downstream, we consider the case downstream. To reach the town, to cover the distance downstream, time taken is 5 hours. So speed downstream is always increases. Boat speed plus river speed, x plus 3 km per hour. Downstream's distance is equal to speed into time. Downstream speed is x plus 3 km into downstream time. Time taken is less, 5 hours. So distance is equal to speed into time, x plus 3 into 5. Downstream or upstream, in both the cases the distance is same. So the distance formula, distance equation we equate. X minus 3 into 6 equal to x plus 3 into 5. When I multiply with 6, 6 into x, 6x minus 6 into 3, 18. Here 5 into x, 5x plus 5 into 3, 15. Well, I bring 5x to this side. I transport 5x to the left side. So plus 5x becomes minus 5x. 6x minus 5x is equal to, here is 15. I take minus 18. I transport to right side. It becomes plus 18. So 6x minus 5x is x. 15 plus 18 is equal to 33 km per hour. Thus the speed of the boat is 33 km per hour. Thanks for watching.